Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and staying at home. Today, I am going to teach you the rest part of the Prem's dream. What is the topic? Prem's dream. Now, let's read the story and then we will understand what happened to Prem. Okay, let's go to the page 12 in your new Oxford book. Prem is climbing the date tree. Where is Prem climbing? Prem is climbing the date tree. Look at the word date tree. D-E-A-D, date tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Why the tree is dead? Because it has no leaf. It has no leaf. It has no leaf. Look at the picture. Then you will understand. The tree, this is the date tree. It has no leaf. Okay. Then going to the next line. He is sitting on a branch. He is sitting on a branch. Where is Prem sitting? Prem is sitting on the branch of the date tree. This is called branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Branch. B-R-A-N-C-H. Speak after me. Branch. And this is date tree. This is a date tree and this is the branch of the date tree. Next, going to the line. He is chopping it with an axe. Prem is chopping the branch of the tree with an axe. What is Prem doing? Prem is chopping the branch of the tree with an axe. A-X-E-X. A-X-E. Look at the picture of X. Then you will understand what is X. This is an X. Okay? Prem is chopping the branch of the tree with this X. Okay? Do you understand? Next. Prem falls down. Naturally, he falls down because he is chopping the same branch where he is sitting. How fool Prem is. Prem is sitting the same branch where he is sitting with an X. Okay, he is chopping the tree with an X. Then Prem shouts. Prem shouts because he falls down from the tree. What sounds does Prem make? Ouch, ouch and ouch. What sounds? Ouch. 3 times. Ouch and ouch. This is the sound of pain, not in delight. Not the sound for delight. This is the sound for pain. Okay? Then date tree, X. This is the branch. And what sounds does Prem make? Ouch, ouch, ouch. Okay. Next, going to the interesting portion of this story. Prem wakes up. So let's look at the book and understand Prem wakes up. Because Prem is dreaming. Prem is dreaming all the thing. The branch of the date tree, the eggs, he falls down. This is all his dream. Then Prem wakes up. The ants are biting him. Wakes up. W-A-K-E-S. Wakes up. U-P. Ups. Wakes up. W-A-K-E-S. Wakes. U-P. Up. Okay. Prem wakes up. The ants are biting Prem. The ants are biting Prem. Now he is dancing, shouting and running. He is dancing, shouting and running because the ants are biting him. Then he make another sound. Ow, ow and ow. This is also 3 times. Ow, ow and ow. There are 2 kinds of sounds Prem makes. Ouch, 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 and ow, ow, and ow. Where is Prem sitting? Prem is sitting the branch of the date tree. By which Prem is chopping the branch? Prem is chopping the branch of the tree with an axe. Do you understand all the words? All the new words? This is the new words for you. Date tree, axe, branch, and wakes up. Let's find out the action word from this story. We will understand the action words. First action word is climbing. What is this? Climbing. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. Climbing. C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G. Climbing. This is action words. Action words or verbs. Then shitting. Then shitting. The second word is sitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Shitting. S-I-T-T-I-N-G. Shitting. Then chopping. C-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Chopping. C-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Chopping. Next, biting. What is this? Biting. B-I-T-I-N-G. Biting. B-I-T-I-N-G. Biting. Who bites Prem? The ants are biting Prem, or the ants bites Prem. The ants bite Prem. Then dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. Next word, running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Running. And the last word, shouting. S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G. Shouting. S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G. Shouting. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 action words are there in this story. Okay, first is climbing, second is sitting, chopping, biting, dancing, running, and shouting. Okay, then we going to the question answer session. Going to the question answer session. Okay, concentrate. What sounds does Prem make? The first question is, what sounds does Prem make? What sounds? And how many sounds? You must write Prem makes ouch, 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 and ow, ow, ow sounds. Because Prem sounds 2 times. First time ouch, 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 and second time ow, ow, ow. Okay, you have to write Prem makes ouch, 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 and ow, ow, ow sounds. Do you understand? We are going to the next question. What happens to Prem? What happens to Prem? What happens to Prem? You all know what happens to Prem. First, Prem falls down from the tree, and second, the ants bite Prem. You write Prem falls down from the tree and the ants bite Prem or him. Okay? Do you understand? Prem falls down from the tree and the ants bite him or bite Prem as you wish. Then read the sentences what I am writing. Read the sentences what I am writing in the board. The first sentence is Prem is chopping it. You have to read these sentences and copy them in correct order. Okay? Prem, the first word is Prem is chopping it. And the second word is the ants are biting Prem. The ants are biting Prem. And the third sentence is Prem is dancing, shouting and running. Okay? And the fourth sentence is Prem is climbing a dead tree. Prem is climbing a dead tree. You have to copy them in correct order. You have to copy them in your copy in correct order according to the second chapter of this story. The first sentence, which is the first sentence, would be Prem is chopping it. No. The ants are biting Prem. No. Prem is dancing, shouting and running. No. Prem is climbing a dead tree. This is the first sentence according to the story. Okay? Then Prem is chopping it. The ants are biting Prem. The Prem is dancing, shouting and running. Prem is chopping it. This should be the second sentence. Prem is chopping it. Then the ants are biting Prem. This is the third sentence. And Prem is dancing and shouting and running. This is the fourth sentence. The first sentence is Prem is climbing a dead tree. Second is Prem is chopping it. And the third, the ants are biting Prem. Fourth, Prem is dancing and shouting and running. Do you understand all the sentences? That's all for today. Do your homework.